Hello everyone. Japanese cuisine has a wide variety of dishes, as healthy and very delicious. While you can enjoy many different dishes at Japanese restaurants, if you want to easily enjoy Japanese food at home, miso soup and rice balls are perfect. Today, I'd like to show you a rice ball, Oyakodon, made with shimeji mushrooms, onions, and chicken. Let's get started. When making rice balls, we use Mentsuyu noodle soup base. I'll show you how to make Mentsuyu at the end of the video. Cut half an onion into wedges. Today, I will use a branch of mitsuba, but green onions are also fine. Prepare 50 grams of shimeji mushrooms as well. Pour hot water over 200 grams of diced chicken. This removes the odor and makes the dish more delicious. Pour 200 milliliters of mentsuyu into a frying pan. Add the shimeji mushrooms and onion. Cover with a lid. And simmer for about 5 minutes over medium-low heat. When the onion has softened, add the chicken. Increase the heat slightly, cover, and simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, crack 4 eggs and beat them. Once the chicken is cooked through, sprinkle the mitsuba. Increase the heat to high and pour in the beaten eggs. When the eggs are half cooked, turn off the heat and let the residual heat finish cooking them. Pour the mixture over rice and oyakodon is ready. This recipe serves 2 to 3 people. Now let's move on to how to make mentsuyu. Mentsuyu are sold in stores, but of course you can make homemade ones too. You can make it with just 3 ingredients: mirin, soy sauce, and dried bonito flakes. If you mix these up together well, you will be able to make a delicious Japanese noodle soup. For today, I will be using 100 milliliters of mirin. If you set the amount of the mirin as the base amount, it will be easy to make. You won't need to boil it too much. Next, put in 500 milliliters of water, which is 5 times the amount of mirin. And dried bonito flakes into the pot. For the bonito flakes, you will need a handful of it, which is about 10 to 15 grams. And then turn the heat to medium-low heat and simmer it. If you do this part properly, you will have the delicious flavor of bonito in the soup. Do not pour in soy sauce from the start. If you do, the flavor of the bonito won't come out well due to osmotic pressure. It depends on how the pot is and how the heat level is. But it will take up to 6 through 7 minutes for the soup to boil after putting in the bonito. During that, let's measure the soy sauce. In Japan, there are 2 main types of soy sauce: dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. The amount of soy sauce is the same 100 milliliters as mirin. For today, I'll be using 80 milliliters of light soy sauce and 20 milliliters of dark soy sauce. If the surface of the pot starts boiling, you can add the soy sauce. After adding soy sauce, make sure you don't boil the pot too much. It can make the nice smell of the soy sauce evaporate. So after quickly removing the skin, turn off the heat. Leave it for 15 minutes and finish it by straining the soup. Give it a try.